Hyssop, a fragrant herb with vibrant green leaves and delicate flowers, has a rich history of medicinal use. Revered by ancient healers and mentioned in biblical texts, hyssop captivates modern science with its therapeutic properties. From soothing coughs to promoting skin health, hyssop offers a wealth of benefits. Native to southern Europe, the Middle East, and the Caspian Sea region, hyssop belongs to the mint family. Today, it's cultivated worldwide for its culinary and medicinal applications. Hyssop's distinct aroma adds a unique flavor to dishes and supports overall well-being. Whether enjoyed as tea or applied as an essential oil, hyssop is invaluable for natural wellness. Hyssop, a diverse herb with a global presence, encompasses several distinct types, each with unique characteristics. Hyssopus officinalis is the most common and widely studied variety. Anise hyssop, known for its licorice-like aroma, is a favorite among gardeners and tea enthusiasts. This North American native attracts pollinators and offers a soothing beverage. Rock hyssop thrives in rocky regions, showcasing resilience and adaptability. Its compact size and tolerance for harsh conditions make it ideal for rock gardens. Exploring hyssop's diversity opens up possibilities for enhancing our well-being. Hyssop's remarkable therapeutic properties stem from its rich chemical composition, boasting an array of beneficial compounds that contribute to its antispasmodic and expectorant effects. These properties, deeply rooted in traditional medicine, have been scientifically validated, solidifying hyssop's place as a valuable natural remedy for respiratory and digestive ailments. One of hyssop's key mechanisms of action lies in its ability to relax muscle spasms, particularly in the respiratory and digestive tracts. This anti-spasmodic effect, attributed to compounds like marubian and flavonoids, helps alleviate coughs, ease bronchial congestion, and soothe digestive cramps. Furthermore, hyssop acts as an expectorant, effectively loosening phlegm and mucus in the airways, making it easier to expel. This action, facilitated by compounds like cineole and camphene, proves particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with coughs, bronchitis, and other respiratory conditions characterized by excessive mucus production. Hyssop's anti-inflammatory properties further contribute to its effectiveness in addressing respiratory issues, calming irritated airways, and reducing inflammation in the lungs and bronchi. This multifaceted approach to respiratory health, coupled with its gentle yet potent action, makes hyssop a trusted ally for those seeking natural relief from coughs, congestion, and other respiratory discomforts. Hyssop's long-standing reputation as a respiratory remedy is supported by modern research, confirming its efficacy in addressing various respiratory ailments. Studies show hyssop effectively loosens mucus, making it a valuable natural expectorant for relieving congestion. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated airways, promoting clearer breathing. Hyssop's antispasmodic effects benefit individuals with asthma by relaxing airway muscles. Its antiviral and antibacterial properties combat respiratory infections, offering relief from coughs and colds. Hyssop for weight management and blood sugar control. Beyond its well-established respiratory benefits, hyssop emerges as a potential ally in weight management and blood sugar control, offering intriguing properties that may support metabolic health and promote healthy weight. While research in these areas remains preliminary, some studies suggest that hyssop may help regulate appetite and reduce food cravings, potentially contributing to weight loss efforts. Its ability to promote feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake could prove beneficial for individuals seeking to manage their weight naturally. Furthermore, preliminary evidence suggests that hyssop may play a role in regulating blood sugar levels, a crucial aspect of managing diabetes and preventing its complications. While further research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action, some studies indicate that hyssop may enhance insulin sensitivity, improving the body's ability to utilize glucose effectively. Incorporating hyssop into a balanced diet, either through culinary applications or as a tea, may offer potential benefits for weight management and blood sugar control. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using hyssop for these purposes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Soothing skin and colic with hyssop. Hyssop's therapeutic reach extends beyond respiratory and metabolic health, encompassing benefits for skin and digestive comfort, particularly in infants and young children. Its gentle yet potent properties make it a valuable natural remedy for soothing skin irritations and alleviating colic, a common source of distress in infants. Topically, Hyssop's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties come into play, making it an effective treatment for minor cuts, wounds, and skin infections. Its soothing nature also helps calm skin irritations, such as eczema and rashes, providing relief from itching and discomfort. Furthermore, Hyssop's antispasmodic effects extend to the digestive system, making it a traditional remedy for colic in infants. By relaxing the muscles in the digestive tract, Hyssop can help ease the painful gas and cramps associated with colic, promoting digestive comfort and restful sleep for both babies and parents. While Hyssop's safety and efficacy for these applications are supported by anecdotal evidence and traditional use, it's crucial to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before using Hyssop on infants or young children, ensuring appropriate dosage and application methods. Hyssop for digestion and muscle relaxation. Hyssop's multifaceted nature shines through its ability to address both digestive discomfort and muscle tension, offering natural relief for these common ailments through its antispasmodic and carminative properties. As a carminative, Hyssop helps reduce gas and bloating, relieving digestive discomfort and promoting regularity. Its ability to stimulate digestive juices aids in the breakdown of food, further supporting optimal digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, Hyssop's antispasmodic effects extend to smooth muscles, including those in the digestive tract. This action helps alleviate cramps, spasms, and muscle tension, providing relief from digestive discomfort associated with irritable bowel syndrome, indigestion, and other digestive disorders. Beyond its digestive benefits, Hyssop's muscle-relaxing properties can also soothe muscle aches, pains, and tension throughout the body. Whether applied topically as an essential oil or enjoyed as a relaxing tea, Hyssop offers a natural approach to easing muscle tension and promoting overall relaxation. Incorporating Hyssop into your wellness routine can provide a gentle yet effective way to support digestion, alleviate muscle tension, and promote overall comfort. Fighting disease, the anti-cancer and antimicrobial power of Hyssop. Hyssop's remarkable properties extend beyond symptom relief, encompassing potential disease-fighting capabilities that have captivated researchers exploring its anti-cancer and antimicrobial effects. Emerging studies suggest that Hyssop may possess anti-cancer properties, with certain compounds exhibiting the ability to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. While research in this area is still in its early stages, these findings offer promising avenues for developing novel cancer treatments. Furthermore, Hyssop demonstrates potent antimicrobial activity against a wide range of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and parasites. This broad-spectrum action makes it a valuable natural agent for combating infections and supporting overall immune health. Studies have shown Hyssop's effectiveness against various bacterial strains, including those responsible for skin infections, respiratory infections, and food poisoning. Its antiviral properties extend to combating common cold viruses and influenza viruses, offering a natural defense against these prevalent infections. Moreover, Hyssop's antiparasitic activity makes it a potential candidate for developing natural treatments for parasitic infections, particularly in regions where these infections are prevalent. While further research is needed to fully elucidate Hyssop's anti-cancer and antimicrobial potential, these preliminary findings highlight its promising role in fighting disease and promoting overall well-being. Hyssop, a detoxifying herb, rich in polyphenols. Hyssop's impressive resume of health benefits stems, in part, from its rich polyphenol content. These powerful antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our bodies from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to aging, inflammation, and various chronic diseases. Polyphenols act as scavengers, neutralizing free radicals and preventing them from wreaking havoc on our cells and tissues. This antioxidant activity makes hyssop a valuable ally in supporting overall health and well-being, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Furthermore, hyssop's polyphenols contribute to its detoxifying properties, supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. These compounds help neutralize toxins, heavy metals, and other harmful substances, facilitating their elimination from the body and reducing their damaging effects. Incorporating hyssop into your diet, either through culinary applications or as a tea, provides a natural and delicious way to boost your polyphenol intake and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Precautions. Who should avoid hyssop? While hyssop offers a plethora of health benefits, it's essential to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your wellness routine, as certain individuals may need to avoid or limit its use. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid hyssop, as its effects on pregnancy and lactation are not fully understood. Similarly, individuals with epilepsy should avoid hyssop, as it may trigger seizures in susceptible individuals. Furthermore, those with high blood pressure should use hyssop with caution, as it may interact with blood pressure medications. It's always advisable to consult with a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using hyssop, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. By understanding these potential interactions and contraindications, you can make informed decisions about incorporating hyssop into your wellness routine safely and effectively. Embrace the power of hyssop. Hyssop, a humble herb with a rich history, continues to captivate us with its diverse therapeutic properties, offering a natural approach to enhancing our well-being. From soothing coughs and calming digestive discomfort to promoting skin health and fighting infections, hyssop's versatility makes it a valuable addition to any natural wellness regimen. Whether you're seeking relief from respiratory issues, digestive discomfort, or skin irritations, or simply looking to boost your overall health and well-being, hyssop offers a natural and effective solution. Embrace the power of this ancient herb and experience the transformative benefits it can bring to your life.